We live in a time where the internet constantly tells us that success equals a six-figure salary. Scroll through social media, and you'll see endless posts saying things like, "You can't live comfortably unless you make $100,000 a year," or "You'll never be rich unless you're pulling six figures." But what if I told you that's one of the biggest financial myths holding people back from real wealth? The truth is, you don't need a six-figure salary to be rich. You need a plan, discipline, and smart money habits. Because wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep, grow, and control. And in this video, we're going to break that idea down piece by piece. You'll learn exactly why income doesn't automatically lead to wealth, what truly defines being rich, and how average earners, people making $50K, $60K, or even $40K, can build financial independence through consistent, intentional choices. By the end, you'll see that the path to wealth isn't about earning more. It's about managing better. And if you're serious about mastering your money, growing your net worth, and building freedom on any income, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel where we talk about building wealth through smart money habits and intentional investing, not luck or overnight success. Section 1. The Income Illusion. Why earning more doesn't always mean having more. Let's start with the core misconception that high income equals wealth. If that were true, every person making $100K, $200K, or even $500,000 would be financially free. But you and I both know that's not the case. You've probably met people who drive luxury cars, live in massive houses, and take vacations every year. Yet behind the scenes, they're swimming in debt. They might earn six figures, but they're one paycheck away from financial disaster. On the other hand, there are teachers, nurses, mechanics, and small business owners earning far less, yet they've paid off their homes, built six-figure investment portfolios, and sleep peacefully at night, knowing their money works for them. So what's going on here? It comes down to lifestyle inflation and money mismanagement. When people start earning more, they often start spending more. A raise turns into a new car, a promotion turns into a bigger mortgage, and a bonus turns into new gadgets and vacations. Suddenly, that $100K income vanishes just as quickly as the $50K one did. That's because income alone doesn't create wealth. Behavior does. Let's take a real-life example. The tale of two friends. Mark and Alex both graduated college and got good jobs. Mark earns $55,000 a year. Alex earns $100,000 a year. At first glance, Alex seems like the one destined for wealth. But here's the twist. Mark saves and invests 20% of his income every month. Alex saves nothing and spends everything he earns. After 10 years, Mark, the lower earner, has invested $110,000. Assuming an 8% annual return, his investments have grown to nearly $160,000. Alex, the six-figure earner, has $0 to show for his decade of work. This is the perfect illustration of how income means nothing without discipline. Wealth doesn't reward the person who earns the most. It rewards the person who plans the best. Section 2. Redefining rich. What true wealth actually means. Before you can build wealth, you need to redefine what being rich actually is. Most people define rich as having a lot of money, big salary, expensive stuff, fancy lifestyle. But that's not wealth, that's consumption. True wealth is freedom. The ability to control your time, make choices without financial stress, and build a life that aligns with your values. When you can say, "I don't have to work because my money works for me," that's real wealth. It's not the car you drive, it's the freedom to choose when to drive. It's not the size of your house, it's the peace of mind of knowing it's paid off. It's not how much you make, it's how much you can live on without worrying. This is why being rich is relative. A person making $60K, but living on $40K can build wealth faster than someone making $120K, but spending $130K. Because wealth is about the gap between your income and your expenses. The bigger that gap, the faster you grow. And that's where your power lies. Not in chasing higher income, but in expanding that gap through smarter money management. Section 3. The math of wealth. It's simpler than you think. Let's break down the math that proves you don't need 6 figures to become rich. Imagine someone earning $60,000 a year. After taxes, they take home roughly $48,000. If they live on $38,000 and invest $10,000 every year, and their investments grow at an average of 8% per year, they'd have over $150,000 in 10 years, $450,000 in 20 years, and over $1.1 million in 30 years. That's millionaire status, without ever earning 6 figures. Now imagine if they consistently increase their investments by just $100 a month over time. That's an even bigger snowball effect thanks to compounding growth. The key isn't earning more, it's staying consistent and letting time do its magic. This is why time in the market beats timing the market, and why even small amounts invested early can outperform large amounts invested later. Section 4. The real reasons people stay broke, despite high incomes. So if the math is that simple, why do so many 6-figure earners struggle financially? Let's talk about the real traps that prevent people from building wealth. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise becomes a new expense. Debt, dependency, using credit to upgrade lifestyle before they've earned it. Lack of a plan, no budget, no goals, no strategy. Peer pressure, competing with others instead of focusing on personal goals. Financial ignorance. They don't understand how money works. Here's a story to make this real example. The engineer who couldn't save. John, a software engineer, earned $130,000 a year in California. On paper, he was doing great. But after paying rent for a luxury apartment, car payments, dining out, and travel, he had nothing left to save. He thought investing was something he'd do later, but later never came. After 8 years, he realized he'd made over $1 million in income and had nothing to show for it. Now compare that to Sarah, a nurse earning $70,000 a year. She shared an apartment, drove a used car, and maxed out her Roth IRA every year. 10 years later, she had nearly $200,000 invested and no debt. 2 different incomes. 2 very different results. That's the power of behavior over income. Section 5. The step-by-step path to building wealth on any income. Now that you understand the mindset, let's go step-by-step on how to actually build wealth, even without a 6-figure salary. Step 1. Track every dollar. Wealth starts with awareness. You can't improve what you don't measure. Track your income and expenses. Know exactly where your money goes each month. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even pen and paper. It doesn't matter. What matters is clarity. Step 2. Create a realistic budget. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. Divide your income intentionally. A powerful structure could look like this: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for investing or debt payoff. Or even better, build your own ratio based on your goals, like October 30th, 60 or 70-20-10. Your budget should fit your life, not the other way around. Step 3. Eliminate bad debt. Debt is one of the biggest wealth killers. Prioritize paying off high-interest credit cards and personal loans. The faster you free up your income, the faster you can invest and build assets. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3-6 months of expenses in cash. This is your financial safety net. It prevents you from going into debt when life happens, and life always happens. Step 5. Start investing early. Even if it's small, you don't need to invest thousands to begin. Start where you are. $100 a month in an index fund consistently is worth far more than $0 waiting for the perfect time, because wealth is built through consistency, not timing. Section 6. Real examples of average earners who became millionaires. Let's look at real people who proved you don't need a 6-figure salary to become rich. Example 1. The janitor millionaire. Ronald Reed was a janitor and gas station attendant from Vermont. He never earned more than $40,000 a year, But he lived frugally, invested in dividend-paying stocks, and reinvested every dollar. When he died in 2014, he left behind an $8 million fortune, all self-made. He didn't win the lottery. He didn't start a business. He simply invested consistently and lived below his means. Example 2, the teacher who retired. Early Linda, a high school teacher, made around $55,000 a year. She invested 15% of her salary into her retirement accounts and kept her expenses low. By her late 50s, she had nearly $900,000 saved. Her co-workers making similar salaries had almost nothing saved because they upgraded their lifestyles every time they got a raise. These stories prove that wealth is a product of discipline, patience, and smart decisions, not big paychecks. Section 7. The power of mindset. Thinking like the wealthy. To become wealthy, you need to think like the wealthy, regardless of your income. Rich people don't think in terms of income. They think in terms of assets. They ask, how can I make my money work for me? Instead of, how can I earn more to spend more? The wealthy view money as a tool for freedom, not status. They understand that financial independence isn't about showing off. It's about showing up for the life you want. So instead of chasing six figures, start chasing cash flow, ownership, and independence. Because the mindset shift from consumer to investor changes everything. Section 8. The millionaire formula. Spend less, invest the rest. Building wealth without a six-figure salary comes down to one powerful formula. Earn, spend less, invest the difference. Repeat it. It's simple, but not easy, because it requires discipline. Most people want the results without the habits. Here's a way to make this formula work in real life. Automate everything. Set your investing contributions to go out right after payday, before you even see the money. Then build your lifestyle around what's left, not the other way around. Section 9. Financial freedom at any income. The power of small steps. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It's built through hundreds of small, consistent steps. Every $100 invested, every debt paid off, every mindful spending decision, it all compounds. And here's the thing. Once you start, it gets addictive. The first $10,000 is hard. The first $100,000 takes time. But after that, compounding takes over, and your money starts doing the heavy lifting. You'll realize that your income matters less than your consistency. And that's the secret wealthy people have known all along. Final thoughts. You don't need six figures. You need a plan. We've been sold this illusion that you need to earn more to live better. But the truth is, financial freedom doesn't come from income. It comes from intention. You can build wealth, earning $40K, $60K, or $80K a year if you manage it right, invest early, and stay consistent. What matters is how you use what you have. The goal isn't to look rich, it's to live free. So stop comparing your journey to someone else's. Stop believing you need to cross an arbitrary salary threshold to be wealthy, because true wealth is peace of mind, independence, and control over your time. Start today, not when you make six figures, not when you get promoted, not when life feels perfect. Because the longer you wait, the longer you delay your freedom. If this video inspired you to take control of your finances, hit that like button and subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset, where we help you master your money and build financial freedom one smart habit at a time. Remember, you don't need to earn more to be rich. You just need to be smarter with what you already have.